guys, this is me forever Emma, and I'm going to be opening a sewing machine. My mom got it for sale on Christmas, and today I'm going to be using it with my cousin.
This sewing machine was recommended for beginners. This machine will help you make buttonholes too. Here, Emma is showing you the different types of stitches that the machine does. This knob is to make the stitches longer or shorter.
There, I turned it on.
We had to turn it on. Now you have a little light.
Oops.
So we're going to start over. Let's move. Remember, you move this big wheel around. Oops, sorry. To try to get this so that it will pull out more. Now try pulling it out. I mean, it'll pull out better. Now your scissors are over there in your sewing case. Yeah. Now you cut it closest to the fabric, yeah, so that you still have a little bit of this in the back so that it doesn't come out. So we're going to try it again. Now we want to try to do put the lever down in the back. Now let me show you something you can do. When this is sewing, if it starts to go that way, hold it right here straight with these fingers and let it slide through your fingers. Okay, go ahead and push the lever. See, and then hold it straight like this. Okay, now stop. Now here's your reverse if you wanted to go back. You push that down and then it will go backwards. And then stop. Okay, now you're done. Doing this locks the stitch in so it doesn't come out. Lever up in the back and see, oh, it came out better. Sometimes you have to adjust the height of the needle so that it pulls out for you. So how was that stitch? Was that nice and straight? Let's see if it's not too tight or anything. Yeah. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. Let's get a close-up. It's just really straight. They have blue thread in there, it looks like. So when we bought the machine, they had it already threaded. No, that's white on the top. Now, it's just a little bobbin, but you can put the bigger spools of thread. But we will have to learn how to thread it through all of these. So we have to get the book out, but it was already threaded when we opened it up. Now you want to pull this thread in the back enough so that it will stay in there. Here. This here adjusts the height of the needle. This is where you plug it in and the on and off button. Now we turned it off.
Look at the light.
There's a little light for you. So you can see the stitches. Yeah, this is called a seam ripper. So if you made a mistake with the seam you put in, you use that little pointed part, put it up under the thread.
I picked out some fabric. Now we're gonna look at some thread.
What'd you pick out, Emma? Oh, Harry Potter material for pajama bottoms.
Matilda and Coda love it.
Yeah.
I love Harry.
Okay, what color thread do you think will be good for that? That matches better. Yeah, that's a good choice. Yeah. We're gonna make these pants. So we found it, elastic 1-inch yard, 7/8 of a yard. So it's about 1 yard. Okay, let's put it in the basket. And there's the pattern. Now, I think that's all we need. Let's go check out.
We had to wash the material before we make something with it.
Yes, in case it shrinks. So we're gonna wash it. Up. Now, we're gonna turn this on and put it up under the water for that. Okay, when those are done, then we can take it out and dry it and then cut out our pants. Ah, where'd you go? That's the laundry chute right there. So, what are you doing up there?
Wait until the blankets are done.
So, there's the washer, and Emma wants to wait until it's done washing and put it in the dryer. Emma's cousin Matilda has joined her now.
Taking a snack break. That in mind. Hi guys, this is Matilda of Having Fun with Matilda Grace. And this is my sewing machine and I'm going to put it together. We are pinning it to the cloth so when we cut it, it doesn't move. Pinning it down so it won't move. Yeah. It's starting to mess up.
Hey Emma, I'll let you cut first. So Emma and Matilda are both going to make some fuzzy pajama pants. Here we have laid the pattern down. We pinned it down with straight pins, and now they're going to cut the pants out so that we can sew them together.
Okay. I need help with that part.
Here, what Matilda is doing is there is a little clip where you clip your fabric so that when you are sewing the pieces together, it helps you to match it so that you get it straight when you sew.
Easy. And then how do you take it off? That's a cool one.
How'd you get them all picked up?
With the magnet.
Oh, did the magnet help? Good.
Ow.
Good idea.
I think a magnet. Magnet or magic?
So this machine is nice because once you put the thread on, it shows you what to do first with the thread. So this is number 1.
I forgot.
2. Okay.
What do I do? Do I go this way?
Yeah, did you go the back? Okay.
Yeah, I already did 3 now.
Oh, you did 3, and now for 4. Oh, look, you have to put this little thing up. Wait, that. Do you want to go behind that? And then 5, go on down. And then there's this little thing right here you have to go behind.
Needle thing.
And now you thread it into the needle there.
Into that hole.
Did you get it, Emma?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put it into that hole.
Yeah, see the eye of the needle down there, the hole?
Yes. I hate this part. Now, he's at Randy's house. Nova!
I'm gonna call him now.
I'll give it someone now. Chris goes so slow. Mine goes like
Because she's not pushing on the pedal too hard.
Oh. Oh, not this?
Yeah, you can,
Oh, I didn't know that.
uh-huh. You can press just a little and it will go slower.
I always remember that. Do I take this out?
Now go back, or so you can lock the thread so it won't come out so easy. Now go forward.
Forward?
Yes, you can go forward. Or did you fin? Okay, go forward the rest of the way. There you go. Good. Okay, let's see how they look so far. You're almost done. There's the pants. Now you know what we're gonna do next? We're gonna roll this over, sew it down, and then we're gonna put elastic in it.
Ow. Oh.
So one thing I like to do is we're gonna iron down that waistband,
You're gonna mess my nose.
and then we're gonna press these seams down so that it looks neat. So we're letting the iron warm up.
Yeah, I think it's ready. Stop.
We're working on the waist of our pajama bottoms.
Little face. I am a lady. Looks like it's just gonna go faster and faster and faster. I learned slower than Matilda. Now, how do I do this?
Here, they're hemming the legs.
Acting weird.
Oh, pull it a little bit. Yeah, okay.
It's not working.
Now, sometimes it does get a little clogged and you have a lot of thread there, but just cut it all out and start over.
Scissors. They have some scissors.